rug that gives off cozy, high-end vibes. I'm Gracie with WTI, and this one from the Scandilivin home store was everything that I was looking for. First off, I love this chunky, popcorn-like look that adds so much depth and texture to my room. I have the 6x9 size under my California king bed, and this neutral ivory color makes my room feel so much lighter, brighter, and more inviting. It comes folded in a box, but the creases disappeared on their own within a few days. And what really blew me away is that this is handmade in India, you guys. And the quality is spectacular. You can really tell that a lot of time goes into each piece. Now, because it's handmade from premium wool fibers, it is normal for it to shed when you first get it, but honestly, it's not enough to complain about. So they do recommend vacuuming it on a low setting, and the shedding should just get better over time. It's soft and fluffy to walk on, and it gives you that clean, cozy, and minimalistic look. It has brought so much character to our room, and that's our point of view.